Hello, today we are going to talk about Litecoin. Litecoin is a digital currency made from a fork in the Bitcoin blockchain in 2011. It was at first intended to address the designer's interests that Bitcoin was turning out to be excessively midway controlled, and to make it more hard for large-scale mining firms to acquire the advantage in mining. While in the long run fruitless in keeping venture excavators from assuming control over the vast majority of Litecoin mining, the digital money has revamped itself into a mineable coin and a shared installment framework. Litecoin is a digital currency established in 2011, 2 years after Bitcoin, by a previous Google engineer named Charlie Lee. It has comparable highlights with Bitcoin, however has an alternate calculation. The digital's money will likely turn into a mechanism for day-to-day exchanges. Litecoin has a quicker exchange handling time contrasted with Bitcoin. One of Litecoin's unique missions was to deter venture-estimated excavators from dealing with the mining system by utilizing an alternate encryption strategy. In any case, excavators immediately adjusted their specific machines and kept on developing their mining limit. Litecoin is mineable utilizing ASIC diggers, similar as Bitcoin is. A block inside a blockchain stores exchange data. The block is checked by mining programming and made noticeable to any framework member who needs to see it. When an excavator checks it, the following block in the chain is made, and Litecoin is compensated. Delivered to people in general in 2011 by previous Google engineer Charlie Lee, Litecoin is an open-source worldwide installment network not constrained by a focal power. Lee alluded to Litecoin as a light variant of Bitcoin and a coin that is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. As opposed to zeroing in on its usefulness, numerous financial backers are keen on Litecoin as a likely long-haul holding. They theorize that Litecoin will create relative financial momentum over the long run like different speculations. Litecoin was delivered with 150 pre-mined coins and has a complete stock of 84 million coins. The digital money's blockchain produces another block each 2.5 minutes. The Litecoin supply is intended to decrease over the long run to save the coin's worth. As of April 2022, there are 14 million Litecoins left to mine. Dividing alludes to lessening the prize given when a block's hash and the exchange data inside the block are approved and another block is made. Splitting lessens the quantity of Litecoins granted by 1/2, which assists with dialing back the production of new coins. Dividing dates for LTC, August 25, 2015, 50 to 25 LTCs, August 5, 2019, 25 to 12.5 LTCs, August 23, 2023, 12.5 to 6.25 LTCs. Litecoin utilizes a hashing calculation called SCRYPT. SCRYPT is more memory concentrated and more slow than SHA-256. In any case, it found more noteworthy acknowledgement in the digital currency local area after the 2011 Tenebrix undertaking changed SCRYPT to work with normal computer processors for mining. The essentially bigger memory prerequisites for SCRYPT additionally made it hard to foster application-explicit incorporated circuit diggers. Be that as it may, its ASIC-safe arrangement didn't keep going long. The world's most memorable Litecoin ASIC digger was delivered in 2016. Litecoin has created some distance from its mining biological system overwhelmed by individual excavators to a corporatized arrangement, where huge mining pools run by tech firms represent a staggering larger part of Litecoin mining. It has a much lower market limit than additional famous coins. Be that as it may, it is as yet one of the most exchanged digital currencies, keeping a situation inside the main 30 coins out of the more than 18,000 followed by CoinMarketCap. This exhibits that it is as yet a well-known digital money yet doesn't have the financial backer premium that Bitcoin and some more current coins have. Most digital currencies can be bought on cryptographic money trades. A few trades can manage exchanges inside the US, a lot more are outside the US. Taking note of that trades inside the U.S. is significant. are checked and directed by the Protections and Trade Commission to guarantee that the well-being of financial backers and brokers are maintained. Considering that, assuming you live in the US, your decisions are restricted to trades inside the US. Since trades are controlled and guidelines are as yet being created, the spots you can trade digital forms of money change. Trades outside the US might possibly have administrative specialists, albeit numerous nations have carried out controls or conceded administrative position to their monetary managing offices. Some US trades where you can purchase Litecoin are Coinbase, eToro, Kraken, Binance.us, Robinhood, Gemini. You can sell your Litecoin on similar trades where you can buy it. In any case, selling your crypto on a unified trade is not the same as selling it on a decentralized one. For instance, assuming you're selling your Litecoin on a trade like Kraken, you'll have to send your LTC to your Kraken address. From that point, the trade works with the deals of your Litecoin. In the event that you're utilizing a decentralized trade like KuCoin or Crypto.com, you interface your wallet to the trade and go through the Know Your Client enlistment process. Once endorsed, you can store your Litecoin and start selling it. A few trades might allow you to pull out government-issued money, so on the off chance that you're seeking trade your LTC for fiat, you'll need to find a trade that permits it. The primary distinction among Litecoin and Bitcoin lies in their most extreme stock cap. Bitcoin has a stock covered at 21 million, while Litecoin's inventory is compelled to 84 million. One more qualification among Litecoin and Bitcoin lies in the conventions to mine coins. As referenced before, Bitcoin utilizes SHA-256 and Litecoin depends on a changed form of SERYPT to produce coins. The distinction in conventions has suggestions on exchange handling times for the two coins. Litecoin is multiple times as quick as Bitcoin in handling and affirming exchanges. The speed in handling exchanges can come to the detriment of safety on the grounds that less adjusts of exchange confirmation are involved. Litecoin's affirmation season of 2.5 minutes is helpful for little dealers who don't maintain that or need their exchanges. Should be really secure. It is hard to decide how financial backers, merchants, digital money fans, state-run administrations, and the overall population will treat Litecoin later on. Cryptographic money is being examined by states, more digital currencies are being made consistently, and the business sectors are unpredictable. Litecoin wasn't planned to be a theoretical venture or a strategy for putting away worth. In any case, a few financial backers use LTC along these lines, and some don't. It's ideal to counsel an expert guide to check whether Litecoin is a wise venture for you. Thank you for watching. For more financial news and info, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.